play your piano to express the emotions of a soldier thinking of his little daughter at home. How to find chords, the melodies and the structure, and how to improvise to create the emotions. In this session I will teach you 2 steps of improvisation. First step, how to capture the emotions. Second step, how to find proper chords and how to use them. First step, let's capture the emotions. Look at the picture. Let's tell the story. The sun hadn't yet risen when Surgeon Jimmy Butler sat quietly on his bunk, lacing his boots with trembling hands. Outside, the hum of engines signaled the beginning of the mission. But for a moment, the war faded, and all he could see was a tiny drawing folded in his pocket, a red-painted heart, signed, "Love you, Daddy, your daughter Susan." Okay, we want to express 2 emotions here. First, love. His love for his daughter Susan is at the heart of everything he does, of course. And second, longing. He misses her deeply. The memory of her voice and presence brings both comfort and pain. Here in this improvisation, we have to express this kind of love and longing. Let's listen and then let's discuss step 2, how to find proper chords. Okay, let's stop here. By the way, my name is Martin and I'm here to help you to play freely and to learn the language of cinematic piano improvisation. You have got a gift and I'm so glad you are using it. And I'm here to guide you every step on the way with a clear and structured path. So let's find the chords. We have 2 parts in our improvisation to express love and longing. Let's go to the first part, expressing love. We use the chord in our left hand. Let's have a look. We have C major, G major, F major, and then C with a 4, and then we have F and C and F and G major. Once again, C major, G major and F major, and C with the F with the 4, and then F major and C major and F major and G major. Maybe you have noticed sometimes we use the first inversion. You remember, every chord has a root position, a first inversion and a second inversion. Let's use G major root position, first inversion and second inversion. So, have a look. C major in the root position, G major in the first inversion, and F, first inversion, and C in the second inversion with a 4. And then F, root position, G, root position, and C, root position. Let's go to part 2. We have this. Here we have the chord in our left hand 2, and we use F major and G major and A minor in the root position. Together with the melody. Okay. If you want to learn how to improvise, it's important to have a structured approach. I've put together a guide that covers the most important aspects, including chords and melodies, song structure, arpeggios, and emotional expression. You can download the free guide using a link in the description. Enjoy it and have fun! In the next session I will teach you how to find proper melodies. I will see you there.